1. Friendzone her. It may sound weird, but it works really well. Friendzone is like playing a psychological trick on her in reverse. Girls aren't used to being friendzoned, so when you friendzone her, they'll get confused and go crazy thinking about you. 2. Play hard to get. Never be simplistic the first time you talk to her. Talk less and listen more to what she has to say. Don't tell her everything about yourself the first time you meet her. Be mysterious and try to play hard to get. Girls are crazy about what they can't have. 3. Use the Bachelor Effect. When a girl sees that another girl wants a boy, she'll want him too. It's called the Bachelor Effect. They start thinking that maybe this guy is good because all the girls want him. To make this work, always keep more options open or at least act on them. 4. Nail the first impression. Always try to nail your first impression in front of any girl. Don't be awkward and clingy on your first impression. Try to keep your cool, be confident, and show your dominance the first time you meet her. Girls love confident guys. 5. Cancel. Don't always be available for her. Have your own life and work on your passion. Not many guys cancel dates with girls, and when you do, she'll think of you. Never make her your first priority. That's how she'll pursue you. 6. Here's the key. Most men don't understand the raw nature of women. That's why they always end up in trouble. Discover the unknown secrets of women that have been hidden from men for the last 5,000 years. Subscribe to this channel.